Ralph Waldo Emerson, who went by his middle name Waldo, was an American essayist, lecturer, philosopher, abolitionist, poet who led the transcendentalist movement of the mid-9th century. He was seen as a champion of individualism and a present critic of the countervailing pressures of society, and his ideology was disseminated through dozens of published essays and more than 1,500 public lectures across the United States. Emerson gradually moved away from the religions and social beliefs of his contemporaries, formulating and expressing the philosophy of the transcendentalism in his 1,836 essay Nature. Following these works, he gave a speech entitled The American Scholar. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. For every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. It is one of the blessings of old friends that you can afford to be stupid with them. Always do what are you afraid to do. I cannot remember the books I've read any more than the meals I have eaten, even so they have made me. Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink the wild air. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived, and live it well. What you do speaks so loudly that I cannot hear what you say. When it is dark enough, you can see the stars. Make your own Bible. Select and collect all the words and sentences that in all your readings have been to you like the blast of a trumpet. All I have seen teaches me to trust the Creator for all I have not seen. It is not the length of life, but the depth. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Dare to live the life you have dreamed for yourself. Go forward and make your dreams come true. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Without ambition, one starts nothing. Without work, one finishes nothing. The prize will not be sent to you. You have to win it. If we encounter a man of rare intellect, we should ask him what books he reads. nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. Though we travel the world over to find the beautiful, we must carry it with us, or we find it not. Kindness. You cannot do a kindness too soon, for you never know how soon it will be too late. Shallow men believe in luck or in circumstance. Strong men believe in cause and effect.